Go.
Hi, I'm Donna from The Masquerade, and we're going to do another fun project series video. All we need is string, straws, and a couple participants to use the bow and arrow when we're done. Wait till you see this. So I'm going to start with my string, and I'm going to just fold it over on the end a tiny little bit. And then I'm going to take 2 straws, take that fold, I'm going to put it under the straws, and I'm going to take my string end, and I'm going to put it through and pull it. Okay, so I'm going to pull that tight. Then I take this end through the 2 straws. As I wrap it around, it'll hold it in there. Then I'm going to take my straws and I'm going to twist them like that, so they're kind of like twisted around. And I'm going to continue to wrap my string all the way down the end. And when I get to the other side, God bless you, making sure they're still twisted.
You want to make sure there's big enough spaces in between each wrap.
And then we're going to put the string in the middle of the 2 straws again, go around a couple times, and in the middle of the 2 straws again, go around a couple times, and then one more time in the middle. And now I can bend my straws.
Only a little bit.
And come back to the top.
We don't want them to bend like this mess up.
Like this mess up. When you bend them too much, they break in half. So you don't want to bend them too much, just a little bit. And then you put it between the 2 straws, and now you can wrap it again a few times, and then between the 2 straws. And now I cut the end of the string off, and I'm going to tie it to this end. And there you have it. Now you can take one of your other straws.
You cut a little slit. A teensy tiny slit. And there's your arrow.
That little bit of a slit is enough to stick into your string. So when you
For
go
the
like
arrow.
that, you can hold it like a crossbow with the straw on top.
And you stick it in the string.
Woo! And it really flies.
So here's another view.
Got it in there. All I do is pull the arrow. Whoop! It totally took off. Ah, it goes, gosh, I don't know, what is that, 6 feet, 8 feet? It can go further. Let's see if I can get it into that white area. Woo! It went all the way over to the corner of the door. So now let's make a target. So I have a piece of construction paper. I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to fold it in half again. And then on this corner, where the 2 folds meet, I'm going to cut out a pie shape. I'm going to cut off some corners. And a little bit off of this one. And when I open it up, I have my target. And I can take this piece I cut out of the middle and make it a little bit smaller. When I open that up, it's my bullseye. And I can tape that to a window and we can have target practice. So I taped my target to the door and the girls are going to have fun. Woo! Almost! Try it again! That's awesome! Come give it a shot with your sister. We'll see if we can get you both doing it. Woo! Wow, I think it hit the bullseye.